Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make this Kunafa. For this, I'm going to take 1.5 cup of milk and I'm going to add it into a pan or a pot, and we're going to place it on the stove. Well, with that, I'm adding milk powder about 4 tablespoons, and with the help of a spatula, I'm going to mix it. So I'm cooking it onto a low flame. We have to mix so there are no lumps. Well, I'm also going to add cornstarch about 2 tablespoons, and this time we have to mix it continuously so there are no lumps in the milk, because once you're going to add cornstarch it will create lumps, so you have to mix it gradually or continuously so that there are no lumps in the milk. With that, I'm going to add sugar about 2 tablespoons. So you can add sugar according to your taste. Some people like to eat more sugar and some people like it less, so it's really up to you. Now I'm going to mix it with the help of a spatula, and I'm going to add 3 to 4 slices of cheese, and it's going to give it a really good flavor. So with the help of a whisk, I'm going to mix it gradually. You can follow the same process like I'm doing it, that would be much recommended. Well, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that you're updated my latest videos on the first go. Once you see the bubbles, put it aside and move towards making the next ingredient. For this, I'm going to take half cup of sugar and the same amount of water, and I'm going to mix it with the help of a spatula again. And I have turned the flame on to medium, and once the water starts boiling, we will place this thing aside for let it cool. But before that, we have to mix or dissolve the sugar quite fully in the water, and our syrup is going to be ready. The next ingredient I'm going to take is vermicelli, about half packet, and I'm going to place it into a bowl. And I'm going to crush it well with the help of my hand, or you can also use a spoon or whatever you want to. Just crush it properly, and once it's completely crushed, we will add sugar in it as well. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar powder. Add the sugar powder so you do not need to dissolve it fully, and it's mixed well and there are no chunks once you're going to eat it. With that, I'm going to add melted butter about half cup, and again I'm going to mix it. If you're not comfortable doing it with your hand, you can also wear gloves, and it's completely up to you. And you can see it has turned into a very good structure. Well, I'm going to spread some butter in the pan. So as you can see, it's a cake pan. It will really give it a very better shape. And we're going to add the mixture of vermicelli. I'm going to place it in the pan, and then with the help of a spatula I'm going to press it so there is no gaps and it's pressed well. With that, I'm going to add the mixture we have made out of milk and cheese and all of that we have made before. So after adding 1 layer of vermicelli, we will add this mixture of cream, cheese, and adding 1 layer of it, we will add again vermicelli onto it, another layer of vermicelli onto it, and after placing it into the cake pan, we will press it with the help of a spatula. You can just miss it if you don't want to, it's really up to you. Pressing helps out a lot to give it a better shape. With the help of a spatula, press it gently, and after that we will place it into a refrigerator or a freezer so that it get cool. And we will take it out into a presentable plate and spread the mixture or the syrup we have made before with sugar and water, and it's going to give it a really good flavor. And once it's done, decorate it with some nuts or some peanuts or crushed nuts. It's really up to you, whatever you want to add. I hope you like this video. If you really like it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family so they can get access to my videos. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.